people with my daughter. We're in this farm place. It's got here farms. It's a farm with sheeps and donkeys, and that's what we have. And that's where me and my daughter be going at right now. So we're gonna go to this farm, and they got rules too. Also, this is awesome. There's the rules right here. They got rules. Well, anyway, let's go and see the donkey and these weird animals. I'm scared. Here we go, Layla. Here they are right here. There go the donkey. You go. We can do it, Layla. Ew, gonna go poop. Here go the duck and the donkey and the goat. Look at them. I'm not getting close. I'm scared. Look at that goat right here. Look at that. Look at him. Come on, let's go. There go the donkey. And here goes something else too. Whew. And goes sheep. Look at that sheep. You see this? They're really close up. Look at the donkey. Look at the goat. There we go. And I'm not staying nowhere. There go the sheep. And I'm not going nowhere else. I'm too scared. There go the ducks. And there go the sheep. Look at that donkey. And look at the ducks. They have a pig, but I can't do it. I don't see the pig. It's a huge pig. I don't think I can go through this. You want to do it later? Look at this. Look at this, whatever this is. What is that? Don't touch nothing. I think I can't do it. What the heck is that? Look at the donkey. How you doing? Okay. Look at the duck. I don't know what that is. Oh, how you doing? Let's keep on going. Yeah, I'm trying. I am real trying. I'm just not used to this. Look at this. They're following us. Okay, come. There go the donkey. There go the other donkey. There go this little thing. And the duck, too. I'm trying to hurry up, but woo, Lord Jesus. Woo, Lord. Well, look at the little pony. And I got another one calling. This mama Wilbur, the pig. Oh, Lord. There go the pigs. Oh, look at them. Don't touch them. Oh, Lord Jesus. Look at that big, good God Almighty. Lord Jesus. I ain't know the pigs were like. Oh, he getting up. No, Lord Jesus. Look at that. Good God, he big. Oh, Lord. Look at that. And the chickens is in there. I'm going. So we at the farm, and y'all see all that, the animals and all that, and it's awesome here. This is in Delaware, Georgetown, Delaware, and it's awesome. I mean, all these. Oh, look at this Oscar. I can't even say. Look at this, Lord. Look at this. Look at this Oscar. Look. Look at that. Little buddies. Look at him. Look at him. And look at this, whatever that is. Y'all can say, bro, where you at? Or y'all go, what the world? Lord Jesus. He walking like he's chilling. You hear that noise? I don't know what that noise is. I'm going. Oh, Lord. A dog. I'm scared. Help me, Most High. Oh, Okay, we gonna go, and we had a good time at the farm. Later, see, she saw out here the roosters and crocodile-doo and all that. I'm scared of animals, I don't know why, but I love my pet Peaches. Okay, this was good. Layla likes it, and the animals was excited to see us. Oh Lord, there's a dog. How you doing? Okay, that was awesome. At the farm here in Georgetown, Delaware. It's a farm place. It's just awesome. Okay, have a good day.